Bevel, the modal, has received a few improvements. So if we go in here and we just add a bevel, we'll press 1 to jump it to a default bevel. If I press X, it will end this bevel at half of its previous bevel. If I go under bevel and press X, it will set it to half of its previous bevel, also ending the operation. This is something everyone should have expected. However, it was something that was incorrect with the math that was making it not actually set it to half of the proper bevel before. So right now we have just one bevel on this mesh, but if we go under a modifier stack, we can go on a little box cutting here. If we go under here, we can actually control click bevel to add a second bevel at 60 degrees. We'll press X to drop that at half. And if we draw a box cut here, we can see that this is perfectly at half of the previous one. And so we'll just go ahead and just, collapse the stack so we can see everything. And if we control click bevel again, press X, we leave it at half of the previous value, making us able to step through cutting non-destructively a lot easier. So here we'll control click bevel again, press X to drop it at half, and now we have another bevel here. Actually, it didn't add it that time. There we go. And now we have a bevel at an even lower level. So this, of course, is a balancing act where one wrong move and the whole mesh will just go kaput. However, I do want to show that we have been putting some work into making bevel work stronger going forward prior to our next big thing that we're going to be rolling out pretty soon. But now bevel properly sets your value to half based on your previous value if wanted, and also can set it to half of the current value if that's also desired.